Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be creating these very abstract-y nails that I did the other day and kind of loved. For the base, I used Londontown's Lemonade Pop, which was one of my new favorites recently. This is from the latest Londontown collection. So I've put on 2 coats of that and I'm ready to go. As you can see, I've already gotten started. I'm using a fine nail art brush. This is one that I've had for ages and I don't actually know where I got it or anything. I should probably start using one where I can actually tell you where I got it. But that's beyond the point for this moment. I have decided to use kind of a tealy turquoisey acrylic paint here. And as you can see, I kind of started with a diagonal line going across my nail. And I'm just going to thicken that up by having a line follow that. And I'm going to fill that kind of like triangle shape in. And this is going to give us kind of one of our main focal points of the nails, I guess you could say. And yeah, we're just going to fill that in real quick. Once you have that all filled in and you're happy with it, we are now going to do the same kind of thing that we did there, but with white and on the other side of your nail. And you're going to bring it just to the turquoise and you're going to kind of bring it past it, but on the underneath layer. So you're not going to paint on top of the turquoise. You're just going to bring it down and kind of put like a triangle like tip, because we're not going to take it to the whole other edge of my nail. And we're just going to fill in those shapes as well. If you go over and you accidentally touch your turquoise, not a big deal. You can go back in with that acrylic paint that you used earlier to kind of clean up and tidy up your lines. Now once your white is dry, it is time to go in with a black acrylic paint using the same brush, and I'm just kind of putting little squiggly lines. Sometimes they kind of resemble like cheetah print lines that you would traditionally do for a cheetah print manicure, but they're definitely more ununiform and squiggly and there's no circles involved. So I'm just going to fill in the space. Definitely remember to put some on the edge because you don't want it to look like you were like completely avoiding the edge. You want to make it look like it was a full pattern in the white section. Next up, I wanted to bring in some sparkle or metallic-likeness into the design, so I've grabbed my golden acrylic paint, and I am literally just painting a circle here. I know this is kind of daunting, but if you take it very slow, you can paint a circle on your nail. But if you don't feel very confident in that, one kind of easy hack to get around painting an actual circle would be to create a circle dot with a dotting tool and then dot inside of it with a smaller sized dot using the nail polish base color that you use. So in this case, you would do a big gold dot and then you would dot a smaller dot of Lemonade Pop in it if you wanted to get a circle without actually painting a circle. But if you feel like you can paint a circle, go ahead and do that, and then place a few little gold dots around it in the negative space to kind of just fill in and complete the nail. After all of that is done and you are happy with the nail, you can then apply your favorite top coat. I found that this looked really good, shiny or matte. I actually wore it both ways at one point. And then you are done. So here is your final look at this design. I really enjoyed this one. I wish my photos had came out a little bit better, but there's always another time because there are so many color options for this design. Anyway, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of quick little tutorial. I really enjoyed these nails. I want to do more like that, more like this spring, because I feel like this is super fun for spring, summer, and kind of has that whole festival vibe that we all kind of go through in the spring. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any requests for upcoming videos in the comments below, and I will put them on a list and hopefully get to them very soon. We have a very busy month packed. Also, today on my blog, I have a guest post up for our Earth Day series that I am hosting on 25sweetpeas.com. So if you want, be sure to head out to my website, which is also linked below. If you want to check that out, we have an amazing artist joining us today talking about her area and Earth Day related materials and, of course, beautiful nails. Okay, I think that is officially it. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting every video that I do. I really enjoy and appreciate it. And I will be back very soon with another new video. Bye!